Looking for the best 3D scanners? In this video we look at some of the top 3 3D scanners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, XYZprinting, all-in-one 3D printer. Pros: we love that this printer not only creates 3D scans, but can also print in 3D as well. Great for classrooms where learning curves are expected. Comes with quick and simple settings. Cons: may not have the technology to accurately capture objects with soft edges. Bottom line: built with a two-way laser that makes 3D printing fun and easy for beginners. At number 2, EinScan 3D scanner and printer. Pros: customers rave about the scanner's ability to connect quickly and execute in a way that exceeds most expectations. Supports major operating systems such as Windows 7, 8, and 10. We love that the turntable can support over 20 pounds. Cons: while we love the scanner's rotating ability, it's not designed to scan objects larger than 12 inches in diameter. Bottom line: a quick-to-calibrate scanner that will pleasantly surprise you with its ability and price point. At number 1, EinScan Scanner with tripod. Pros: a favorite of professionals who rely on reverse engineering to decipher data with accuracy. We love the auto controls that align image points to what could be argued as their mathematical absolutes. Weighs in under 12 pounds for easy transport. Cons: some customers report they wish the scanner had more in the way of power output. Bottom line: this high-end scanner can bring images to life via animation and virtual reality. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.